Stop borrowing people unnecessarily and start making money online. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. Today I wanted us to talk about how to make money online through YouTube, and there are 4 ways I'm going to be sharing with you. I will also share with you a bonus tip on how you can be making money without creating an account with YouTube, and you can be making at least 200 shillings based on the effort that you're going to make. Stick around for that. The first way that you can make money on YouTube is through uploading content. For example, what I am currently doing. You upload content concerning nature, agriculture, technology, finances, taxes, anything that you can be thinking about. Do not be afraid about making content that somebody else has made it, because there is a quote that says, do that one thing and make it better than everybody else. So what you do is that you find a niche, you make it better than anybody else. You do not know whether your blessings are going to come from that niche. So do not be afraid of making content that has already been done. Just do it a little different from what people are doing, and you're going to see yourself earning from YouTube. The second way that you can earn from YouTube is through affiliate marketing. You're going to be promoting products from companies like Amazon. You sign up, they give you an affiliate account or link, and then you're going to be sharing that link with people on your YouTube channel. So when a person clicks that link, buys a product from your link, then you get a commission from the product that you're going to purchase. It doesn't have to be necessarily whatever you are promoting. Anything that they might buy from Amazon, you're going to be paid for that. So your job is to look for companies offering affiliate marketing programs, and then you're going to be earning from YouTube through that promotion. It can also be done on Facebook, Instagram. It can be done on any platform that you might think of, even WhatsApp, as long as the person clicks that link, and then you get paid for the product that you're going to buy from that link. Although they have a lasting period, you can check that on Amazon, and then you can learn more about that. The third way that you can earn from YouTube, this is more necessarily for a person who does not have time to create content, but maybe even you are afraid of creating new content. You can take content from other channels and then you recreate that content. For example, if it is about baking, you can add different baking styles, different baking people doing the baking, and then you re-upload it on your YouTube channel. YouTube allows people to recreate content, but you have to comply with fair use regulations. If you guys want me to talk more about fair use regulations, you can comment below, and then I can expound on how you can use fair use regulations for you to make money through other people's YouTube videos. This happens even for videos outside of YouTube. There are websites offering this kind of content. Pixabay, they offer free videos that you can use to create YouTube content, but you have to comply with their terms and conditions. So you can recreate their content and then you upload it in your YouTube channel. Then you're going to be earning from YouTube after some time. The fourth way that you can earn from YouTube is through having multiple channels. You create accounts for different YouTube channels. You can have one Gmail account, and then you have multiple accounts without Gmail account. So what you do is that you create content, you upload it, and then you wait for people to watch. You share it for people to watch. So those are the different ways that you can earn from YouTube. If you want me to expound on any one of them, you can comment below and tell me which one you want me to expound more on, and I will make a video on them. If you also want me to make a video on each individual way on how you can make money on YouTube through the 4 ways, you can also comment below and I will make video on that. The bonus tip is how to make money through surveys. One app that offers you that service is called Geopol, OnePlus, and Premise. These are applications that helps people to earn income at the comfort of your home. So what you do is that you carry out different kinds of surveys. You answer very simple questions, and then they will be paying you, for example, 10 shillings, 20 shillings. So the amount of money that you can make from these apps is dependent on the kind of effort that you're going to give. So if you give yourself 10 questions a day, you can make at least 100 shillings if you're going to be paid 10 shillings for each. But if you're going to make, let's say, 20 questions, which is the maximum amount of questions that you can take, then you're going to be earning at least 200 shillings every day. So it's upon you to downloading this app, waking up early, taking the questions, answering the questions correctly, and following the regulations with the websites, and then you're going to be making at least 200 shillings every day. These are ways that we can use technology to make money to our advantage. 2020 has taught us how to not depend on one single income source, and that's why I have taken this opportunity to train you guys on how you can make money from internet, and then you will be financially free. Geopol pays people through credit, so if you've been suffering from lack of credit, you have yourself a way to earn money through Geopol. You can earn yourself some credit. Stop reversing calls. Stop making please call me. Stop borrowing people unnecessarily. Start making money online. If you like this content, hit the notification bell, subscribe so that you can get notified anytime that I upload similar content, which I will be uploading more often. If you want me to expound on anything that I have shared on this video, comment below and tell me so that I can be of benefit to you guys, because you're supporting me, so I should be supporting you. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the apps that actually pay, so watch out for that. Until then, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.